In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI Facebook Messenger chatbot using n8n. We'll start by wiring up the Facebook Webhook trigger. This is the entry point for everything your users send to your page. Facebook hits this endpoint in two ways: a GET request to verify that your webhook is valid, and a POST request each time a user sends a message. Make sure the webhook path in n8n is connected to your Facebook developer app, so Facebook knows where to send events. Right after that, add the Confirm Webhook node. During verification, Facebook sends a challenge, and this node returns the exact value Facebook expects. If you skip this, Facebook won't confirm the webhook, and no messages will reach your workflow. Next, filter for text messages only. Facebook emits many event types: deliveries, reads, reactions. But for this chatbot, we only want actual text from users. The message check ensures only those move forward. To prevent bot echo, include a check that compares the sender's ID with your page's ID. If the event originated from the page itself, stop the workflow. If it came from a user, continue. This keeps your bot from responding to its own replies. Now extract the details you'll need later. Use a context step to pull out the user ID, page ID, message text, timestamp, and your page access token from the payload. Store these cleanly, so sending the reply is straightforward. Keep tokens secure. Use n8n credentials or environment variables rather than hard-coding them. Improve the user experience with messenger indicators. First, mark the message as seen so the user knows the bot is aware. Then, trigger the typing indicator to make the conversation feel natural while the AI prepares a response. For the brain of the bot, send the user's message, the conversation history, and system instructions to your AI agent powered by Gemini Flash. The system prompt shapes the assistant's tone and role, guiding it to provide helpful, automation-focused answers. Maintain continuity with conversation memory. Storing the last several messages helps the AI remember context. Without it, each turn would feel disconnected. Parse the AI output into a predictable structure: text, photo, and video fields, so you can route responses cleanly. Then sanitize and shorten the text if needed. Facebook Messenger limits messages to about 2,000 characters, so remove markdown and trim anything too long. Finally, send the text reply through the Facebook Graph API using the user ID and your page token. If media links are present, send the image or video as a follow-up. With that, your n8n workflow can receive messages, think with AI, remember context, and reply with text or rich media automatically.